Hi, it's Catherine here from Lullaby Lodge. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet granny circles, and I will also give you the formula so that you can keep increasing your circles as big as you would like them to be, so make sure you watch to the end. I'm going to start by putting a slip knot on my hook and chaining 4, and then going to join with a slip stitch to that first chain to form a ring, and then chain 3. This chain 3 counts as our first double crochet. Then I'm going to work 11 more double crochet into the ring. For a total of 12 double crochet. Now I've worked over my tail as I've gone around, and then I can just pull that a little bit just to tighten up the centre. We're now going to join with a slip stitch to the top of that chain 3, and we now have a total of 12 double crochet. Here I'm going to fasten off and change colour. I'm going to join the next colour in any space between stitches, so just push your hook in between 2 stitches, grab your yarn, pull it through, and then chain 3. This counts as a double crochet. If you wanted to stay with the same colour, instead of fastening off, you could just slip stitch into that space there. I'm now going to put another double crochet into the same space, then move over to the next space and put 2 double crochet, and I'm going to repeat that all the way around, and I'm also working over my tail as I go. I've worked all the way around, 2 double crochets in each space between the stitches, and then I'm just going to join with a slip stitch to the top of that chain 3. We will be finishing every round off in exactly the same way. So I'm going to fasten off and change colour again. Okay, for round 3 I'm going to join in a new colour. This time it's going to be between the groups of stitches, so you have 2 double crochet in this space here and 2 in here. We go in the middle here, join in our new colour, chain 3, again counts as a double crochet. And now we're going to put 2 more double crochet into the same space. Then we're going to skip over the next 2 stitches and find the next space. 3 double crochet in there. We're going to repeat this around the circle, putting 3 double crochet into each space between our groups of stitches. We're now ready for round 4, so I'm going to join in a new colour in any space, chain 3. Now this round is going to be a little bit different. We're going to put another 3 double crochet into that same space. So we've got 4 double crochet here. I'm then going to move on to the next space and put 3 double crochet there. And then 4 double crochet into the next space. So we're going to repeat this around our circle. In the next 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, 3 double crochet, and all the way around. Okay, we're ready to start round 5, and again we're going to join in a new colour in any space and chain 3, and we're going to put 2 more double crochet in the same space. Okay, now we need to look at our circle. The next cluster of stitches here is just a normal granny cluster of 3 stitches, so we're going to skip over that and put another 3 double crochet into the next space. And now we look at the next cluster of stitches, and this has got 4 double crochet in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our next cluster of stitches in between. So we're going to put a double crochet right in the middle of those 2 groups of stitches. So we're effectively splitting up the 4 into 2 groups. So we're going to put 2 more double crochet in there. And we're going to continue around our circle, putting 3 double crochet into each space. And every time we get to a group of 4, we're going to put 3 double crochet in between those 4 stitches. Okay, for rounds 6 and 7, we are going to simply repeat rounds 4 and 5 once more. Okay, so I've gone ahead and done rounds 6 and 7. Now rounds 8 and 9 are going to be the 2 rounds that you repeat in order to keep increasing your circle in size to whatever size you want. So I'm going to join as usual, chain 3, and I'm going to put 3 double crochets in the same space for a total of 4. Now in the next space I'm going to put 3 double crochet, and then in the following space 3 double crochet, and then the space after that 4 double crochet. That's what you're going to repeat around. 4, 3, 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, all the way around. Okay, so I finished round 8, and before we move on to round 9, I'm going to explain the formula for increasing your circle. So round 8, here we've got 2 lots of 3 and 1 4. The next time you do an increase round, you'll have 1, 2, 3 lots of 3, then a 4, and repeat that around. On the following one, it will be 4, and then 5, and so on. In round 9, as normal, we're going to put 3 double crochet in each space, and once we get to a group of 4, we'll put 3 in there as well. If you need some more information, you can check out the accompanying blog post. It's got lots of inspiration of how to use your granny circles. And my granny squares and motifs tutorials, check those out right here on YouTube. Bye bye now.